Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Freelancer, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Freelancer. Press enter to navigate to the website. On the Freelancer homepage, look for the login button. Click on the login button located at the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you have two options for logging in. You can use your email and password combination. Alternatively, you can log in using your social media accounts. If you choose to log in with your email, enter your email address. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Make sure you have entered the correct credentials. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your details, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for your credentials to be verified. Once verified, you will be redirected to your Freelancer dashboard. From your dashboard, you can start exploring the platform. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.